I just had to let you know you're. She had me been through, she had me been through.
Let's say you're making a campfire. You pile up some wood and light it with a match. As the fire burns, you notice that the wood begins to shrink. By the time the fire burns out, a pile of ashes is all that's left.
But where did the wood go? Did it disappear?
No, the molecules that made up the wood did not disappear. Instead, they were rearranged into different molecules.
How is that possible?
Hello! I am Antoine Lebesgue, a French chemist. This is simply called the law of conservation of mass. Matter can neither be created nor destroyed. The total mass of the reactants is equal to the total mass of the products. Let's demonstrate this with a simple experiment.
Here we have an initial mass of vinegar and baking soda, which is 45 grams. If we mix them together, we now only have 43 grams of it. So if we don't collect all products and let the gas escape, it looks like we lost mass.
So now let's try this again. But this time, we would not allow gas to escape. At first, we started with 92 grams. And now let's mix them. And then we seal the bag. At the end of the reaction, we still have the same 92 amount of mass.
So you mean, even if a new substance is formed, the mass still stays the same?
Exactly. Even though the substances change, the total mass remains constant.
But if the mass stays the same, then why did the plastic bag escape?
That's because the reaction produces carbon dioxide gas. According to Avogadro's law, when the number of gas molecules increases, the volume of gas molecules also increases, as long as the temperature and pressure remains constant.
As more carbon dioxide molecules are formed, it took up more space inside the bag, causing the bag to inflate.
Our experiments showed that when vinegar and baking soda react, gas is produced. When the plastic container was not sealed, the gas escaped, making it seem like the gas decreased. However, when the container was sealed and the gas was trapped, the mass before and after the reaction remained the same. This demonstrates the law of conservation of mass. Meanwhile, the inflation of the plastic bag shows Avogadro's law, which explains that as more gas molecules are produced, the volume of the gas increases as long as temperature and pressure remain constant.
So that means everything around us doesn't just vanish. They just undergo chemical reaction, making them transform. And since our universe is a closed system, nothing really disappears. It just changes. Like when water turns into gas, or when burned wood turns into ashes. Amazing, right?